Hi, this is a Westinghouse Deluxe ceiling fan from the early 1900s. I just got done restoring it. It had a new brass plating. Took it down to bare metal. New axle. Pretty fancy fan. You see, I added a light kit. I found some sockets from 1905 era. That's a pretty interesting fan. Very heavy. I think it was the first Westinghouse. There's full speed. Cuts a lot of air. I have it on speed control so I can turn down the speed. There it is off. Pretty impressive chunk of metal. There it is, Westinghouse Deluxe. It's actually one of the earlier ones that has no reinforcing ribs on the top. And it also rotates clockwise, where a few years later they made them rotate counterclockwise for who knows why. Anyway, there it is.